Hello guys, I hope that you feel good today. We will cook a Brazilian meal. I think it's the first time that we do this together. So for this meal you need fish, white fish, you take what you want, coconut milk. Oh, I have water here. Tomato, garlic, lemon, and rice. Very easy. So in first, we will start to cook to prepare the fish. So I will wash my hands. Perfect. So where is the knife? Okay. So in first we cut you will see it's very good. This is for 2 persons like usually because I'm single, so I have 2 meals with this. It's perfect. Okay. Go. Perfect. You cut the lemon. We say lemon or lemon. I think it's lemon. I don't know. I don't have the things for press, so I will do like this. Just cut a little inside. You can keep inside. So 15 minutes in the fridge, okay? And you take an onion because I forget one onion. So now we oh my god, I recut the onion. If you need one video for see how I cut the onion, tell me in comments. And the garlic too. So the onion in first. And for the garlic, okay. So now we will start to cook. So you prepare the rice. Okay, so we start to cook. I will show you near. Okay, so now we can start to cook. So the onion. Perfect. So 5 minutes. Okay. So 5 minutes, okay. So now I will add the rice. It's 10 minutes for my rice. Okay, so now I reduce the fire, you understand? So I will add the tomato, just the half of this, and I need to buy this and all this. Maybe you will need water, okay, for the sauce. Okay, so now we need to wait 15 minutes. So when the rice will be finished, I will add the fish here, okay? Okay, so now we can add the fish. And we wait 5 minutes. I would use more hot. and it's good for the rice. So perfect, that's good now, very good.